Good morning everyone, my name is Rob Cavaleri. I'm the Regional Safety Training and Compliance Manager for Manlift, and this morning we're going to give you some safety tips about the correct harness protocols and harness use on mobile elevating work platforms. So specific for mobile elevating work platforms. So if we move along here, here's a good graphic to show you the full body harness. The harness I'm wearing now is called a full body harness, and here you can see it here, the rear, the front, and we're also going to talk about the lanyard associated with the body harness. And here you can see a shock absorbing device, and we'll also discuss where and how the shock absorbing device should be used with harnesses on mobile elevating work platforms. So when I step into the basket of this boom type elevating work platform, I'm going to be setting up in a restraint type of situation, restraint type fall protection. So I hook my carabiner onto the approved attachment point, and then I need to adjust my lanyard to the shortest possible position to prevent me from falling out of the basket or platform. So now I'm going to step into the basket of this boom type elevating work platform, and my lanyard will be in an arrest type of setup. So I'll show you what that means. So I hook my carabiner onto the approved attachment point, and now my lanyard will be adjusted depending on the basket size, so I can move freely around to do my work, but also safely operate the MEWP, see where I'm going. But now you can see I can easily get into a position where I can fall out of the basket or platform. So really that's an arrest situation, and in an arrest situation I need a shock absorbing device fitted in my lanyard. And we can talk about that, or you'll learn more about that when you do the harness half-day IPAF harness course. Another important consideration, when I have attached my carabiner to the approved attachment point in my mobile elevating work platform, I need to understand, is that attachment point which is approved designed for an arrest load or only a restraint load? Because if it's only designed for a restraint load and I go and fall out of the basket or platform, maybe it's going to fail when I need it not to fail. Okay, so we need to look at our operator manual and speak to the manufacturer to be clear about the approved attachment points. Are they rated for an arrest type situation or only a restraint type situation when we're talking about fall protection? A little bit on the carabiners. There's different types of carabiners you'll get. This is not really a good style. It's more of a scaffolding type carabiner. Why? Because it can allow an operator to incorrectly attach the carabiner around the handrail. The handrail is not allowed to take that type of load. It's not designed to. Remember, we should only be attaching the carabiner to the boom lift's approved harness attachment point. And another couple of things, here's one too. If I use this type of carabiner, once I clip it on, I've got to remember then to lock it. So again, if we can get the automatic ones, it's much better, because then the operator doesn't have to think about locking the locking device on his carabiner. So just a couple of things there. You'll learn more about that when you do the harness half-day course. So thank you everyone. If you're interested in learning more, and hopefully you are, I'd encourage you to click on the link below, you'll see it now, to take a short questionnaire. It doesn't mean you're going to know all the answers because you haven't been given the training and instruction yet, but have a go and see some of the things that you will learn about when you actually take the harness course.